Rob here from Media. Stay tuned because we're going to be looking at the price list element in Elementor. At Media, we help companies to grow and thrive using the latest tools, tricks, and marketing techniques. From websites to online marketing, automated sales funnels, social media, and much more. We're always releasing new content on our YouTube channel, so make sure you click the like, subscribe, and notification button to make sure that you don't miss out. Just before we get going, I want to tell you about an exclusive offer we have on at the moment. We're giving away free access to our paid Hub platform to the first 50 people that click the link in the description. We're going to be putting this link in the description of all of our videos, so make sure that you get in there as quick as you can. Within Hub we have created over 100 training videos in 13 courses, including a course on how to build a website using Elementor. You'll also find recorded webinars and a host of other free content, so remember to click the link in the description. Let's get on with the video. Hello, welcome to this video. We're going to be talking about the price list element of Elementor. Before we begin then, I've got a page layout of Elementor full width. I've got one section here with one column in, and I've changed the background color of the section to blue. To get back to our elements then, we just need to click the grid here. Let's find our price list element. In the search box, we're just going to type price, and here we have price list. Let's drag this into our column. In this video then, we're going to go over content and style. A lot of the advanced options have their own videos, so go and check those out. Let's go to content and have a look through this. So there's not much to this, it's quite simple. Here are the default items. We've got our first, second and third item. We can add more by clicking the add item. We can delete by clicking the X. We could also duplicate an item we've already got. And again, if we don't want that, we can click the X. So how do we change the content that's actually in our price list? So all we have to do is click on one of our items, and here you can see all the content that's involved. So we've got the price here, which is currently set at $20. We've got the title, first item on the list, and we've got our description. All we have to do is replace the text in those boxes. We can also add an image if we like. Let's select this one and put that in. And we can also make this link. So if this is a product that is on our website, we can link that to that product page if we want to. Let's go ahead and add some more images to these products. As you can see, the images have messed with the styling a little bit, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stop for a moment so that you can pause the video, and when you've added your items to your price list, we're going to go through the style. Okay, let's click style then at the top left, and we can see we're going to style the list, the images and the items. Let's start off with the title and price. So the color we want is white. There is a separate video on how to use this color picker tool. It's a tool you're going to use often, so I recommend you go and check that out. Typography. I want to go for a matic. Again, there is a video on how to use the typography tool here. Go and check that out. I'm just going to skip right through this. So I'm going to go for a matic SC, size 2 REM. I'm going to leave the weight and all the other settings as they are. The description then, this is our description. Again, color white, typography, Josephine Sands, and we're going to stick to 1 REM for that, with a weight of 300. The separator then, we've got a couple of style options here. We can have solid line, we've got dotted, dashed, double, or none if we don't want one. In this case, I'm just going to go with the dotted that we had at the start. And the options we have here are weight, so we can make the separator thicker. We've also got the color, so I'm going to go for white as well. And spacing. And you can see how that changes as I toggle through that. I'm just going to leave it about there. Next then we'll style our image. So click the image tab. We've got image size, we've got thumbnail. Currently these are 150 by 150 thumbnails. Here we've got medium or 300 by 300. Because of the ratio of the images, these aren't displaying at a 300 by 300 square. but we can go all the way up to full if we wanted to. I'm going to stick with the thumbnail. We can adjust the radius, so that smooths the corners of our images. I'm going to leave that on 15 for now. We've also got spacing, and I'm going to leave that at the top just to provide some spacing between the image and the item. So now let's style our item. We've got the rows gap. As you can see, we've got a large gap between each item, and we've also got vertical alignment. We've got top, center, and bottom. I'm going to leave that on center because I think that looks tidier. So that's really all there is to it when it comes to the price list. If you're happy with what you've done, click the green update button at the bottom, and we will see you in the next video.